Today we're taking a closer look at the catalytic converter replacement Y-pipe, available for all 2009 through 2018 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. Now this is going to be a super affordable alternative to a factory replacement from your local dealer, while delivering a 100% brand new pair of cats in the factory steel Y-pipe, and will include all of your pre-welded O2 sensor bungs, gaskets, and hardware, all for right around that $500 price point. As for our features, well, this is going to be pretty straightforward, as this Y-pipe is simply designed to replace your aging or failed factory cats, but for a fraction of the cost of going down to your local Ram dealer and getting a new set directly from Mopar. So if maybe you failed inspection, you received a cat code or a check engine light, this is going to be a great way to get you back to new again, thanks to a very affordable factory style replacement. Moving into construction, and as I just pointed out, this is going to be a direct factory replacement in every single way. The piping, the cat location, all identical to the stocker, meaning fit and finish should be dead on. Now the replacement Y-pipe will also feature a durable steel build here, along with a ceramic substrate for your cat material. Now the Y-pipe will also include your pre-welded O2 bungs in the factory location, brand new 2-bolt flanges, and all the hardware and exhaust gaskets, making this a turnkey package that will be ready to install right out of the box. Last but not least, guys, the Y-pipe here is backed by a 1-year limited warranty, just in case you run into any issues. Price point is certainly feature worthy here, as the Y-pipe will land around $500, give or take a bit, making this one of the more affordable ways to replace the cats on your Ram here on the site. Also keep in mind, guys, this is still going to be a fraction of the cost of going down to your local Mopar dealer, grabbing a new set of factory replacements, which can cost you $1,000 if not more at the end of the day. Moving into our install, and the site's going to call this a strong 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you at least 3 hours to complete from start to finish. Now that time might vary depending on how rusty your factory bolts are. So if you're very rusty, you might want to stretch that time out a little bit. On the other hand, if they're looking great, it might take you less time than that. Regardless, I would suggest spraying all of your factory hardware on the existing Y-pipe with PB Blaster or something similar before getting started with the install. Maybe letting it soak a little bit wouldn't hurt either. So wrapping things up here, guys, again, if you are looking for an affordable way to replace the cats on that 5.7 Ram at home, be sure to check out this Y-pipe right here at AmericanTrucks.com.